Okay, so today what we have is the Rubio Monocoat Universal Maintenance Oil. We've got an old, worn out Rubio floor here that's been down for a little over a year, doesn't get any love. You can see it's worn. And we're going to go ahead and start buffing in the maintenance oil. We've done the edges with a pad and the maintenance oil. So we're anxious to see what the final result is going to be. This is the neat thing about Rubio. It's a maintainable product. You know, as it starts to look dry, you can just take the maintenance oil and buff it back in and bring your floor back to life. So it looks like it did the day it was finished. Okay, so what we did today was we had a dried out, beat up old Rubio Monocoat floor. We came in and just washed it with the Rubio soap and water, and then applied a coat of the Universal Maintenance Oil with a buffer. Took about 30 minutes to do this application. Very quick, very easy, and the floor is protected and ready for another year of hard use. Thank you to Rubio Monocoat Universal Maintenance Oil.